How to download Google Docs for PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily or download your Google Docs on laptop or PC. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser, and I prefer Google browser, so just click on this search bar and just search in for Chrome apps, as you can see. So just make sure you type in just like this, Chrome and double slash quotation with the double slash and apps with a semicolon in the middle. So once you tap on it, you will be seeing this page where you can see a lot of applications like Google Docs, Gmail, Google Chat, Google Drive, Sheets, Slides, and YouTube. So now to pick this application onto your desktop, all you have to do is just right click on that particular application and just click on create shortcut. So if you want this to appear on or create a shortcut for all of these menu, you can select all of these, but since I want only on my desktop, I'll just select the desktop and just click on create, and I'll just head back to my desktop. And as you can see, you can successfully created and downloaded your Google Docs on your PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.